Scores of Jewish settlers storm Al-Aqsa amid tension. Settlers swarmed into sight via Al-Maghariba Gate. Israel carried out 30 attacks in Gaza Strip, says army. Target including agricultural lands and residential buildings. Israeli raids killed 23 in Gaza since Tuesday, 71 others injured by Israeli raids on blockaded Strip. Netanyahu vows to continue attack against Gaza. He said during special cabinet meeting that Islamic Jihad has no option but to cease rocket attacks. PA calls for immediate end to Israeli aggression on Gaza. Palestinian Authority on Wednesday called for immediate end to Israeli aggression against the Palestinian people on the blockaded Gaza Strip. Turkey strongly condemns Israeli attack in Gaza, calling on the country to stop its state policy of aggression. UN trucks deliver humanitarian aid in Syria. 32 trucks of aid distributed in war-torn Idlib province. Iraqi government indefinitely postponed local elections. Provincial councils poll postponed amid anti-government protests raging since last month. Dozens of Houthis rebels killed in western Yemen clashes. Yemeni army says Houthi continues to breach Al-Hudaydah deal. Blast at police headquarters kills one in Indonesia. Suspected suicide bomber killed at scene. 6 people suffer minor injuries in blast targeting police headquarters in North Sumatra. Car bombing killed 7 civilians in Afghanistan. There were no immediate claims of responsibility for attack. Pakistan allows ailing opposition leader to fly abroad. Pakistani cabinet agrees to remove Sharif's name from no-fly list.